What if I told you that becoming quieter could make you more powerful? We live in a world where many believe that speaking up is the only way to be heard. But there's another path, a quieter path. Some of the most admired people in the world speak with quiet confidence, commanding respect and influencing others without saying much at all. This isn't about shyness or lacking confidence. It's about intentional silence. By embracing pauses and thoughtful replies, you'll stand out, be remembered, and even gain more respect. Here's how. Respect. Point 1. Knowing when to talk can make you more powerful. Talking too much can sometimes make us lose our power, making what we say less impactful. Imagine someone talking non-stop. At first, we might pay attention, but after a while, our focus drifts. Why? Because constant chatter suggests a need to be filled with noise. It hints at a lack of inner peace. The person speaking may seem busy, but are they really accomplishing anything or just filling space? On the other hand, think of someone who speaks less, but when they do speak, everyone listens. This person seems calm and sure of themselves because they take the time to choose their words carefully. They know when to talk and when to listen, and that makes them more powerful. Point 2. Over-talking can make you predictable. When we talk too much, we reveal more than we intend to. We might share too much about ourselves, exposing our insecurities or our need for attention. Additionally, oversharing can make our thoughts seem less valuable because people get used to us saying everything that's on our mind. It's like a leaky faucet, constantly dripping and losing its impact. On the other hand, being quiet makes us more intriguing. People start to wonder what we're thinking, which makes them pay closer attention when we do decide to speak. It's like a surprise, a pleasant interruption that grabs their attention. And when people lean in to listen, every word we say carries more weight. Being quiet helps us think before we speak. It allows us to choose our words wisely, ensuring that when we do talk, it's for a good reason. Point 3. Listen more and speak less to show you care. In a world where many want to be heard, few truly listen. When you practice speaking less, you naturally start to listen more. And when you listen more, you show people that you care. You understand that everyone has something valuable to contribute and you're open to learning from them. It's not just about hearing words. It's about understanding perspectives, feelings, and experiences that are different from your own. By listening more and speaking less, you send a powerful message. It shows that you respect others and value their ideas. This approach fosters deeper connections, stronger friendships, and more meaningful relationships. And in any setting, whether it's personal or professional, this quality of attentive listening sets you apart. It shows that you're not just focused on yourself, but also on those around you. And that's what makes you truly remarkable. Point 4. Don't fear the silence. Many of us are uncomfortable with silence. It feels awkward. But here's the secret. Silence is where your true power lies. When you embrace silence, you create space for calm and clarity to grow. It's in these quiet moments that your best ideas come to life, and you find the strength to pursue what truly matters to you. There's a big difference between being quiet because you have nothing to say and being quiet because you've chosen to pause. When you intentionally choose silence, you're taking charge. You're deciding when and how you want to express yourself, and when you do speak up, your words will have a greater impact. It's like saving the best for last. Point 5. The quiet strength that attracts others. In a world full of noise, being quiet is a form of quiet strength. It attracts attention because it's unexpected. When you're comfortable with silence, you stand out. People notice you, and this can be a great advantage in various situations, especially in business. If you want to draw attention to a new product or service, being different and unique is key. When you adopt a quieter approach, it makes you memorable. Customers are more likely to think of you when it matters. Being different helps you win in the marketplace. It makes your brand stand out and keeps customers coming back for more. In a noisy market, being quiet is a winning strategy. It helps you connect with customers on a deeper level and creates a strong bond that leads to long-lasting relationships. So don't be afraid to embrace silence. It's a powerful tool for success. Point 6. Use silence to explore and express yourself. When you give yourself time to be quiet, you open up space for creativity to flourish. It's in these moments of silence that your mind can wander and explore new ideas. It's like taking a mental vacation. Your brain gets to rest, but also discovers hidden connections and fresh perspectives. It's amazing how your mind works. When you're busy, it operates in a limited way. But when you're still, it can explore endless possibilities. And when inspiration strikes, you'll be ready to capture those moments. You'll find that writing, painting, or any creative activity becomes more meaningful and produces incredible results. Embrace the power of silence and let your creativity soar. Point 7. Silence can help you find the right words. In conversations, choosing to be quiet can help you find the right words. It's okay to take a moment to think before responding. A well-chosen word can convey your meaning clearly. But why is that important? Clear communication is essential for building trust and understanding in business. If you mumble or speak too quickly, people might not grasp your ideas. They could misinterpret your message, and this can lead to confusion, missed opportunities, or even conflicts. However, when you take the time to find the right words, it shows that you care about how others perceive you. It demonstrates your professionalism and thoughtfulness. When your words are clear and precise, people listen attentively. They trust what you say, and this creates a positive and productive environment. It also shows that you're confident. Confident people inspire confidence in others. So next time you're in a conversation, take a moment to pause, reflect, and choose your words wisely. It's a simple yet powerful way to build trust and achieve your goals. Point 8. Silence helps you be more empathetic. When you practice silence, you become more attuned to the world around you. You pay attention to the little things, the smiles, the frowns, the energy in the room. This quality is essential for empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, and in business it's crucial for building relationships and creating a positive work environment. When you're silent, you're better able to read the emotions of those around you. You can sense when someone is feeling down or needs support. You can also pick up on positive vibes and celebrate successes together. Showing empathy makes people feel valued and appreciated. It creates a sense of community and belonging. This is particularly important in teamwork. When you understand and share your colleagues' feelings, you build trust and rapport. You're more likely to work together seamlessly towards a common goal. So embrace silence and nurture your empathetic side. It's a powerful asset in both your personal and professional life. Point 9. Be still to know who you are. In the midst of daily activities, it's easy to lose sight of who you truly are. Amidst the hustle and bustle, we might forget our values, dreams, and aspirations. However, when you embrace stillness, you create an opportunity to reconnect with your inner self. It's in these quiet moments that you can reflect on your journey so far, acknowledging both the triumphs and challenges along the way. This practice of looking inward allows you to gain a deeper understanding of yourself. You uncover your strengths, weaknesses, passions, and purpose. It's like taking an inventory of your life, ensuring that you're living authentically and moving in the right direction. By the way, if you made it this far, you're awesome, and I'm grateful that you've been here. Let me know in the comments what you think about these points. Also, if you liked this video, please hit the like button. Hey, thanks for being here. I'll catch you in the next one. And if this hit home, go ahead and subscribe for more.